How often do you buy new shoes? Whoa! Look at that sale sign. Up to 50% off. I'm going in.
Already? Didn't you just buy sneakers like last week?
That was 2 weeks ago, and those were running shoes.
Okay, but seriously, how often do you have to buy new shoes?
Maybe once a month? Sometimes twice, if there's a good sale.
Wow, I buy shoes when mine have literal holes in them.
That's tragic. Shoes are like mood boosters. New shoes, new me.
Or new shoes, less money.
Look, these Nikes are 40% off. I'd be losing money if I didn't buy them.
That's not how math works. But okay, let's pretend it is.
Oh, they have my size. It's fate. Want to get a matching pair?
Me? Nah, I'm still wearing the same sneakers from college. They've got character.
They've got holes, Daniel. That's not character. That's a cry for help.
Fine, I'll look.
I'm looking for a small table for my living room.
Hi there, can I help you with anything today?
Yes, I'm looking for a small table for my living room.
Oh, great. What kind of style are you looking for? Modern, rustic, or maybe something more traditional?
I'd like something modern, but not too flashy. I want it to be simple, but still stylish.
I see. We have a few options in that style. Let me show you.
This one looks nice. How much is it?
That one is $120. It's made of solid wood and it has a clean, minimalist design.
I think it might be a bit too big for my space. Do you have anything smaller?
Sure, let me show you this one. Smaller, but still fits the modern style you like.
Oh, this one is perfect. It's just the right size. How much is it?
This one is $85. It's very popular. And it's made of a durable, eco-friendly material.
That sounds great. I'll take it. I'm looking for a nice bouquet. Hi there. I'm looking for a nice bouquet for my friend's birthday.
Love that. Is your friend a flower person?
Yes, definitely a flower person. She takes more pictures of her plants than of people.
Great. So, what kind of vibe are we going for?
Something fun and colorful. It's her 30th, so I want it to pop.
All right, I'm thinking sunflowers would be perfect.
That sounds amazing. Can we add some pink roses too? She loves pink.
Absolutely. Pink roses, coming right up. Do you want some tiny birthday cards?
Yes, please.
Gotcha.
How much do I owe you?
Only $28, girl.
Deal. She's going to love this. Thanks.
Anytime.
We need to buy some cleaning products. Wow, this store is big. Where should we start?
Let's go to the cleaning aisle first. We need to buy some cleaning products.
Right. The kitchen is a mess after last night's dinner.
Yeah, and the bathroom needs cleaning too. We're out of toilet cleaner.
Okay, let's get some dish soap, surface spray, and maybe sponges.
Good idea. Oh, and do we still have laundry detergent?
I think it's almost empty. Let's grab a new bottle just in case.
Got it. What about floor cleaner?
Oh yeah, let's get this lemon smell. I love lemon.
Same here. Makes everything feel fresh.
I want to return this dress. Excuse me, I want to return this dress. Of course. Do you have the receipt with you? Yes, here it is. Great. Can I ask why you're returning it? I just don't think it suits me. It's too light around the waist. I see. That happens sometimes. Do you want to exchange it for something else, or would you prefer a refund? I think I'll just get a refund, please. I don't want to spend any more time looking around today. No problem. I'll process the return for you. We'll have your refund ready in just a minute. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a great day. These jeans are on sale today. Lisa, these jeans are on sale today. Really? Let me see. Yeah, they're 30% off. I think they're perfect for casual days. Wow, that's a great deal. What size are they? They have my size. They fit perfectly. I love the color too. That's awesome. You look great in them. Thanks. I'm so glad I found them. Shopping is always better when there's a sale. Do you prefer shopping alone or with friends?
Do you prefer shopping alone or with friends?
I think I prefer shopping with friends.
Really? I thought you might prefer shopping alone.
Oh, I used to shop alone, but I find it more enjoyable with company. Plus, it's nice to get opinions.
I guess I like being able to focus and take my time when I'm by myself. No distractions.
That's fair. But when I'm with friends, I get to see different styles and ideas.
I can see that. I mean, I sometimes need a reference comment.
Exactly. And we can also try on clothes, take pictures together.
That does sound fun. I think I might enjoy it more to have a shopping buddy like you.
My pleasure, buddy. I promise I'll help you find the best deals.
Deal.
Supermarket shopping.
Excuse me, can you help me out? Of course. What are you looking for? I need some kind of cream for my wife. Did she say what kind? Something with coconut, I think. Coconut cream? Yeah, that's the one. Oh, it's right over here. Wow, there are so many. Which one should I get? It depends on how much you need. She asked me to grab a small tube. Oh, I'm afraid we don't sell coconut cream in tubes here. I see. What do you have then? We've got coconut cream in 13.5-ounce cans, like this one. This is what most people buy for home cooking. What about the cartons? Those are great too. They are easier to store once opened. I prefer the can. Here you go. Thanks.
Hey babe, are you heading home soon?
Yep, just picked up your coconut cream. I'm on my way now.
Perfect. How much was it?
$5 for a 13.5-ounce can.
$5 for a 13.5-ounce can? That's a steal! What brand is that?
Thai Kitchen.
Tom, I asked you to grab me some hand coconut cream, not the cooking kind.
So, how do you feel about curry for dinner?